What's up, guys? We're back with another video of Will and Glenn. Got AJ, Max, Andy, and Aiden here. So we're ready to do another challenge or video, whatever you call it. Today's is sour. Okay, so we got lemons, we got some sour candy spray in a fire hydrant, toxic waste, a slush puppy powder. So apparently toxic waste is supposed to be pretty bad. So yeah.
I did. How you about to blend that?
Yes, it's gonna be disgusting. Okay, since there are 5 people, we're gonna get 2 different. Actually,
Ricky, what's
you know what? Why don't we just get everyone to pick one? Sorry.
What's your address?
I will find you.
Pick one item. Close your eyes. Pick one item. So one thing.
I can't.
Okay, grab this one. Yeah, okay. You got one. Grab one. Wait, grab one, Andy.
That's my hat.
Just one. Wait, that's just grab that one. Wait, don't say it yet. Don't say it. Grab that one. Grab one.
Oh, that's supposed to show.
Grab one. Okay.
No, are you blending?
AJ just picked eggs, which is gonna be delicious. We're gonna put
It's gonna be nasty.
coconut. I don't even think we
Yes.
have coconut anymore, so we might just change that for something else. Andy picked hot peppers, and then we also got Aiden, who picked a fruit snack. So this is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna take a little cut. I'm gonna grab all these things, and then we're just gonna see how this turns out. Okay, so we're back. I got the egg here. It's a raw one, so hopefully.
Sorry.
Yeah, that was AJ. I think it's from Max. We got coconut, so we got some coconut milk.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, well, this is what we're here for. So Andy picked the strawberry.
What
No,
a
Andy.
host.
No, Andy picked the hot pepper, so we just got some crushed red peppers because I couldn't find any of our hot peppers that were really bad.
Leave it.
And then we also have a fruit snack. Yeah, it's okay. This is good. Who wants to just juice it up?
No, don't get the seeds in there.
Oh, boys.
Why did my mom have to buy lemons?
Meow.
Yeah, I don't want to eat your greasy fingers.
Get your fingers out.
Stop.
That's good.
I don't think you're doing filming.
You don't need to. Ooh, the spooky ghost.
Oh, turn the light on.
You're ruining his video.
You know, that's pretty good.
Here?
Okay.
Just don't get any shots.
I'm gonna show him.
Well, that's what we're getting. That looks pretty good.
Oh, Ricky.
Okay, so we got Aiden and AJ trying to open these. So let's just get in the fruit snack.
Oh, I got it.
Max, you got this. Open that up.
Keyword.
Slurp a little bit.
Maybe.
Oh! That's gonna make it chunky. Okay. That's good. Calm down. No more.
That's a nice egg. That's a nice egg.
Pour it in. Sauce that in.
Sweet.
Meow.
That's like juice. Yummy. Okay.
Not yummy. Look,
Let's go.
do we mix it? Oh yeah.
Yes, you got the powder?
Keep this bottle.
Yeah, sure. Just pour it in.
What is it? Oh, that's powder. Okay.
That's good. Stop.
It's like pet.
Smells
So far we got some sour spray, an egg,
There's a sour
some
spray
fruit
can on the ground.
snackia,
You're gonna spray it in my
what else?
not.
Some other stuff. I don't even know. A lemon in there. Stay on that side, okay? Just keep shaking. Just shake it.
Just shake it. Okay, that's
Shake like a man.
That's good. Aiden, that's good. I don't think that much.
Stop doing that. You have to drink that too. So do you.
That's a good way. Oh no, we're doing this.
Toxic.
That's good.
That's a water.
You're making.
Can we eat that beef?
Hey, everyone just want to unwrap it.
Yeah, put the watermelon one first.
Unwrap it.
Dude, just flop it in
Yep,
there.
flop
Can I
it.
eat this?
Oh yeah, that looks juicy.
Ricky, can I eat this one?
Flopper, dude.
Can I eat this one?
Oh, you missed.
Whoa, Aiden, chill out. No, Aiden,
The
chill
red
out.
ones are sour.
Get one more.
Get the red ones.
You're opening them all in. Just like a couple more. No more. after. Yep.
Do the green.
Good.
Do the most sour.
That's good.
Okay, well, I gotta put 3 more in.
This is what we got here.
Wait, let Andy put 3 in. Let Andy
That
put
looks
3
pretty
in.
delicious.
No, don't put more.
Now for the final touch, we're just gonna add some coconut milk as our liquid.
We're actually gonna die.
Because of me.
Eden, why'd you put so much, man?
Wow, that looks juicy.
You missed it. I thought you were on the basketball.
Okay, so we're gonna take a cut to just clean up a bit because these guys are like the worst cleaner uppers. Okay guys, so AJ just left. So we got our blender as usual, not plugged in because danger. This is I guess our warning. You could say, okay, everyone's leaving, so it's okay. I'll just give my warning now. So the warning is, don't use things without adult supervision. We do have our parents here plugging this in. Close this up. Hopefully this tastes delicious. I have high doubts. No, I have
Hopefully it tastes bad.
hopefully we live through this, you know? So let's give the honors.
Yeah, I'm too young for that, bro.
Okay, so everyone try this.
Whatever.
Flip.
Ooh, where's the switch?
Everyone put your hands on top of it. Ready? 1 hand. So this is your fault and I didn't put anything in it. We kept it on our
AJ's the one that got it raw. Oh, the shell.
It's all like
Okay.
at the bottom.
So look at this. Whoever gets the last cup basically gets all of that. Look at that stuff at the bottom. That's delicious. Okay, juicy. So gonna get the
Ricky, you're
blender
trying
out
it
here.
too.
Yeah, you're
I
trying.
know, obviously. I don't even think I
looks
can
yummy.
open this. The last person that doesn't finish, or I don't even know how
Doesn't
that
drink
works.
it?
The last person that finishes has to drink another cup. So let's get AJ in here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Look, AJ. You got owned. Take a sniff of this, like. Yo, no, smell this. Actually smells good. Let me smell. Smell that. No, seriously. It doesn't smell bad. Yeah.
Oh, it smells weird.
It's that fruit snack.
Strawberry jam.
Yo, I call the first
Okay.
cup for opening it.
Ready?
I don't call that cup.
Oh, wait.
Same time.
It looks like
Actually, don't wanna drink it.
mouthwash.
Oh, we're actually so. I'm not even drinking.
Hey,
it.
why does that person have way less?
I'm
I don't
gonna
understand.
put more.
Ricky, you're just gonna barf on the table.
Yeah, well, that's true. Okay.
Hold on, let me place this down.
Okay, so wait. Actually, I gotta fix this.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, same, bro. I feel like only one person's gonna view it on Instagram.
Let me do a recap of what we got in here.
No, don't.
No,
I know, I got a recap.
No,
Don't
no,
remind
no,
me.
no,
Stop. We got a raw egg, hot peppers, a lemon, some sour spray, toxic waste.
My heart's going
What else do we have in here? We have some sour powder.
It's the
and
wrong
then
side.
We have some fruit snacks. So you know this probably is gonna be good.
Shut up, Ricky. It's not good.
Also, the girls are behind here. They
gonna
just
be
got front row
spicy.
seats, VIP. You guys can all just take a look in the camera. Well, I'm just trying to stall, you know.
Okay, ready?
I really
We're
don't.
gonna say, okay, ready? When I say drink, ready? 3, 2, 1, drink!
Max! Max!
Actually, that was good! Actually, that was good!
My throat!
That wasn't too bad.
My throat! Oh my god! My throat! My throat! Oh my god! My throat is burning right now.
I'm not about that.
I'm not joking, my throat is on fire. Oh my god! You know how many I've gone through?
Give me some of that.
Wait.
I'll do anything. It tastes horrible.
It didn't taste bad. It was just spicy. Because Aiden put 40,000 chili.
My throat is still on fire, right? Okay, so we're gonna do our. You guys don't know about this. Slide in, slide in. We gotta say if it's blend delicious, which means it's delicious.
I need this.
Or blend it. Don't try this at home. It's so disgusting.
Don't
you
try
probably
some.
don't want to eat it. So we're gonna say 3, 2, 1. Blend whatever you want to say. So it's either blend delicious, which is good, or blend it. Don't try this at home. It's bad. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Blend up. Don't try this at home.
Just a little less chili flakes.
Okay, so let's see who's. Okay, what'd you say, AJ?
Blend-delicious.
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 What? I said it's horrible. Have one more. One more shot for the win. Come on. One more shot for the win. Go, Max. Everyone say chug. Okay.
Chug.
Chug. Chug. Chug. Chug.
Play that song and I'll do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, give me this. Oh no.
The end is actually bad.
Give me that. Give me that. What? Yeah.
There's eggs, so many eggshells in there. Oh,
Was that delicious, wasn't it?
I would have drank it. There's just 40 million eggshells in it.
So clearly they are all crazy, wanting to drink more, saying it's blend delicious. I say it's disgusting.
I'm not drinking anymore.
Remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button. It'll notify you whenever we have a new video. And we'll see you guys next time.
Peace out.